everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to share with you a few of my favorite purchases that I made in the past few months from a few different websites. So if you want to know what they are, please keep on watching. You can now watch this video in Bengali on my new Bengali channel. You can find the channel link in the description box. Please share this with all your Bengali friends. So the first item that I have is from Max Fashion. It's this handbag. It's a yellow color bag with this pattern in front with this beautiful work in silver. The back is plain and it has these tan color straps. It's got a button like this and it's really spacious, and if you want you can just open the chains at the side to turn it into an even larger bag. And it also has these beautiful sequins work on the sides. This can be paired with a lot of different outfits. Like you can pair it with indigo color outfits, white, black or any other neutral color, or you can even carry it with contrast color outfits. I got this one a while back, but it's available online, so I'll have the link in the description box. You can definitely check it out. So this was the first item. Next I have another bag from Myntra. It's a multicolor metallic bag, and this is how it opens. It doesn't have a lot of space inside, but you can definitely fit your phone and some cash. It also has a golden chain, and since it's multicolor, it can be paired with a lot of different outfits. It also looks good with neutral color outfits. It's one of my favorite purchases. It's stylish as well as a very useful item. So this is how the bag looks. Then I got a few items from Shein. The first one is this headband, and this I got a while back. You can also get these in your local markets, but I don't know how safe it will be to travel right now, so take all the necessary precautions if you absolutely have to shop for anything. Otherwise you can always order online or skip it till that situation is better. Next I got two wrap style belts. One is black and the other one is tan in color. So this is how the belt looks like. It's in a leather finish and it has a wide band over here with these narrow straps that you can use to tie it around your waist. I got the same thing in a tan color as well. According to me, belts are essentials because they can change the look of any simple outfit. You can also use it to cinch your waist and give some shape to your body. The last item from Shein is this palazzo pants with a paper back waist detail. It also has these buttons. It has pockets on the sides, and a basic white palazzo pants is an essential in every girl's wardrobe. It can be styled with a lot of different outfits, so that is why I got it. The last few items are from Ajio. The first piece from Ajio is this dupatta. Absolutely beautiful ajrak printed dupatta with this narrow golden border on either sides, and it also has this kind of broad border at the ends with these tassels. I absolutely loved this. The material, the print, everything is really nice. You must check out the indie pics section from Ajio. It has some of the amazing pieces. Next I got this floral printed reversible jacket from Ajio. This is how it looks. It can be styled with so many different outfits, and this one was really inexpensive. I think I got it for around 600. So yeah, this is the next piece. Next I got this kurta or a dress, whatever you like to call it. This is in a mustard color with fish printed all over, and it also has this embroidery on the neckline. It also has these tie-up details on the side with tassels. Really cute. The last item from this haul is a pair of footwear from Ajio again, and it's a Kolhapuri style pure leather footwear with this ajrak print on top. I found this really unique and that's why I got it. It can be paired with the dupatta and with a lot of different things. so I'll definitely style this in my future videos, so stay tuned for that. So these were a few of my recent favorite purchases from my favorite websites. I will also have a part 2 where I'll show you all the amazing jewelry pieces that I got from different websites, so stay tuned for that. If you want to watch this video in Bengali, you can click on the link in the description box. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.